One of the environmental issues that Antioch can be faced with is wildfires. One of the number one causes of wildfires is climate change.
The problem/threat is that the climate is changing and so it's getting hotter. The Bay Area's average annual maximum temperature increased by 1.7 degrees Fahrenheit from 1950 to 2005 and is expected to continue warming in a range of 3.3 degrees Fahrenheit by mid-century under low emissions and 4.4 degrees Fahrenheit under high emissions.
The wildlife of Antioch. With the climate change and the high probability of wildfires happening in Antioch, the wildlife is more in danger. Even though many of the wildlife in Antioch has adapted to their environment, they can still be in danger due to the high heat and wildfires destroying their habitats and even harming the animals. Some of the wildlife that could be in danger are the birds, like the burrow owl, or the lange milkmark butterflies, or squirrels and raccoons. It's not just us in danger, it's the whole city itself.
Antioch's plan is to 1. Support energy efficiency upgrades in homes, 2. Partner with and promote county weatherization program for extremely low-income residents, which will help to leverage additional HUD funding. 3. Increase the green infrastructure and reflective surfaces in the built environment. 4. Increase number of cooling centers and conduct analysis into best locations for new cooling centers. 5. Consider the use of cool pavements when repaving and paving roads in appropriate areas.
This is a model of the Black Diamond Mines area. As you can see, the hills are mainly covered in dry grass during the summer when the heat is at its highest point. When the heat rises in this area, it is much more likely for a wildfire to start. As you can see in the model now, the dry grass has caught on fire and these fires can spread very fast to the houses nearby. This is why we need to do our part in making sure no wildfires occur. We can help prevent wildfires by using the Antioch's plan.
Only you can prevent wildfires.
My name is Brandon Guthrie, and my job is the group manager.
My name is Logan Dawson, and I'm the recorder. My name is Enrique Martinez, and I am the builder.
My name is Maya Mendoza, and I'm the researcher.